Welcome to a new video on AlHuTV. Today I have the pleasure of introducing the MOVA S70 Ultra Roller. Yes, and this is a very special premium roller whose strengths, as the name already suggests, clearly lie in mopping. We have a roller attached at the bottom here. Of course, it has a few more features than just a roller. What also really speaks in favor of this robot is, of course, the technology that we don't have a ladder system that extends out, but instead it's integrated here. That's what makes it extremely flat at just 90 millimeters, and it's perfect for people who have low furniture or wall-mounted furniture, where a vacuum robot would otherwise have to lower its ladder system every time. It can now navigate through here perfectly and doesn't have to lower anything. Instead, the whole system is built in up front, so it can just navigate through like this, ensuring that with this very flat design, it really doesn't get stuck anywhere. But these are just some of the features we have here. Of course, we have extremely high suction power here with 32,000 pascals, and you can see how all of this works here in my video. Today, I want to introduce you a bit more closely to the so-called MOVA S70 Ultra Roller in my video. I've already told you a little bit about it, but now let's take a closer look. So, suction power is one thing, of course, but first of all, let's take a closer look at the robot itself. For this, let's take a closer look at the underside of the robot. Yes, when we look at the robot from underneath, we can immediately see the roller here. We want to take a closer look at that because that's the extreme mopping behavior we have here. One thing is, of course, the advantage that we have a brushless motor here. That's one thing. By the way, there are 12 high-pressure nozzles installed here, which ensure that the roller stays clean at all times while mopping. And speaking of mopping, let's take a look at the first scenario right away. I've dirtied the entire floor here with sticky cocoa powder. I cleaned it all up with this roller, basically did a kind of zone cleaning here. And we can also see very clearly here how the robot cleans everything in time-lapse. And thanks to the roller, we have the advantage that the nozzles continuously moisten the roller with fresh water, while at the same time the dirty water is stripped off, so the roller always stays clean throughout. That's a huge advantage we have here with this whole setup. And if we take another look at the whole thing now, you can already see that the roller is still spotlessly clean even after cleaning. So everything really gets clean, and above all, it wipes with such a clean roller. As mentioned, everything is stripped off here on the inside. Here are the high pressure nozzles, and then it ensures that we achieve the best cleaning result possible when wiping. So this is really good, and some of you may know, I've already tested a few MOVA products here, that with this roller you can achieve extremely high, a very high level of cleanliness on the floor, and in this case it's exactly the same. The floor really gets perfectly clean when wiping here. If we take a closer look here, we can see the brush, and we have a suction power of 32,000 pascals and the so-called turbo force motor technology, which with 120,000 revolutions per minute is a high-speed motor that ensures these suction levels. By the way, there are 4 suction levels, which are automatically adjusted here depending on the level of dirt. Of course, we can also operate the whole thing manually. But we can also let it detect the carpet here with the ultrasonic sensor, and in that case it automatically increases the suction power. Yes, and as I said, that ensures a very clean and very pure result. In my suction test as well, it performed exactly as you would expect. It had absolutely no trouble picking up crumbs and the like here. Of course, the side brush helps with this, but also this shark fin we have here on the other side, the rubber part, which also pulls the dirt into the center, where it is then picked up thanks to the extremely high suction power. On hard floors, of course, it wasn't a huge challenge. I also tried the whole thing on carpet, of course. The carpet detection, as you can see very nicely, works wonderfully here, and it also picked up all the crumbs from the fibers without any problems. Yes, and that's of course ideal, especially if someone has a carpet with slightly higher fibers. Thanks to the high suction power we have here, we really pull all the dirt out of the carpet. As I said, the carpet is spotless clean afterwards. Let's take another look at the robot. I'll turn this off now. Now, let's check the brush. It has a special feature. We have a cutting blade integrated here. You can just barely see it. Don't worry, you can't cut yourself here. So the whole thing is designed to be absolutely accident-proof. And that ensures that the tangled hair, like in this case, this is what's left, you can actually see after use how it looked for me. I can demonstrate it for you. Using the carpet, I spread dog hair here and in a single take without any cuts, showed you exactly how it looked afterwards. Then in this shot, I turned the vacuum robot over and you can clearly see from the underside that there are no tangled hairs at all. Everything here has either been nicely cut or vacuumed up, just as it should be. Yes, furthermore, here we can see a few sensors such as the anti-drop and carpet detection sensors. Yes, as I mentioned, here is the shark fin. Here we have the arm. The arm is also designed so that it can extend, especially into the corners, so we can clean all the way into the corners. It's absolutely ideal for that. At the same time, the roller at the back also extends all the way to the edge and, as mentioned, cleans right up to the edge beautifully. And while we're talking about the roller, that's also very important. We have a shield here essentially that moves down. The shield ensures that when we move onto the carpet, the roller is protected by this shield, or rather, to put it better, the carpet is protected from the roller. That's how it should be said. After all, we don't want to get this carpet wet. And as I said, if we have several passes while cleaning, for example, mopping the kitchen and then having a carpet in the hallway, the roller won't have dried completely in that short time. Then, when we move onto the carpet, this shield ensures from underneath that the carpet stays dry. So everything really works together wonderfully here. Let's take another look at the outside here. I want to show you that again, then we can see here again. Yes, you can see it very clearly here. With this, you can go over steps. Yes, that works wonderfully as well. I've tested the whole thing here and demonstrated it for you. It's actually the case that you can easily go over a step up to 3 centimeters high or several steps of 4 centimeters. I tried to arrange the whole thing in sequence so that you can very clearly see how it climbs these 2 steps at once and in the end also gets over them on the other side or climbs them and then, yes, can drive over the whole thing on the other side as well. And that worked wonderfully too. So if anyone at home has any kind of thresholds they need to drive over, yes, that's absolutely no problem. That works as well. As I said, 3 centimeters if it's a single step or 4 centimeters if it's slightly offset. Yes, as you saw, there are these 2 notches that interlock with each other. So that works wonderfully as well, yes. The anti-tangle feature works wonderfully. The mopping is super, super cool. So there's really a huge focus on that. That was really excellent. The suction power is great. So far, yes, the robot hasn't done anything wrong. And up here at the front, I want to show you this as well. We have a fill LED light on the front side, of course. That means we have the option here when it's dark. For example, if it's going under a table or something similar with this flat design, then this fill light will illuminate. And of course, it provides even better detection. Otherwise, here is the camera and here is the integrated LiDAR system. Yes, and I can show you that as well. Of course, I've set up various obstacles here again, and with these different obstacles, you can really see how well it navigates through them. Whether it's a cable on the floor, the dog stuffed animal, or simply other objects that are just left lying around. These are also detected by the camera and are recorded in the app, showing what it has recognized with a certain probability, but it's quite high. Yes, and then you can take another look at the whole thing. Nevertheless, it doesn't pick up or drag the cable. It leaves the stuffed animal where it is, and it does the same with other objects, just as you would expect. As I said, this works just as well here as everything else has so far. Yes, over 280 objects are recognized here, or rather, it can recognize them. Yes, that's quite impressive. And as mentioned, it records them in the app like that. When it's finished with its work, of course, it returns to the station. And the station, yes, we have it here, of course, and it also has quite a lot to offer. So I'll just open this up real quick. So we also have the option here to add a cleaning solution. I can only recommend that to you. A cleaning solution is also included in the package. Yes, and of course, we have the suction system here as well. So then you just have to snap everything back in place and it looks neat again. Otherwise, down here, we have everything we need. And here we have a hot wash with 100 degrees included for sure. That means we can really get rid of all the bacteria here when washing the roller. And at the same time, we also have a hot air drying function. And with the hot air drying, it's the same. At 70 degrees, we really get everything out of the station and out of the roller, I have to say. Yes, and in the end, everything is so clean, and that's what we want, so it doesn't start to smell. Especially the roller, if it isn't used for a longer period, it remains bacteria-free. Yes, nothing will germinate. All of this ensures that, as I said, everything is perfectly clean in the end. Yes, of course, up here we also have a dirty water tank, which you should empty regularly. We have a fresh water tank just as you would expect. As I said, automatic emptying, automatic filling, automatic drying, automatic washing. Everything here is fully automated. I'd like to briefly introduce the app again. At least I'd like to give you a quick overview of it. For one thing, I want to display the app here, and then we also have 1 or 2 scenarios which I've shown here from time to time. I've shown you how you work in the living room. I've shown you how it works in the kitchen. These are basically snapshots from everyday life where you simply use the robot. I haven't explained this to you in detail in the video, but everything is wonderfully illustrated here. You can already see here living room, hallway, kitchen. You can set everything up just the way you like it. That's not an issue at all. You can specify here how it should mop and so on. You can completely customize each room as you need it. And you can see here as well, I had an obstacle here, a shoe, which it detected. But above all, this red and this green, this is, for example, the ramp where I told it. Here you can, or here you have to go over a ramp. Yes, I set it up so that it has to climb over here for the recording. And of course, you can also apply this anywhere, for example, where you have a threshold that it has to cross. Otherwise, you can edit everything however you like. Yes, you can work room by room. You can do everything here. You can create a zone and move it over to where it should clean. It's completely up to you, yes. And these map settings are so simple, yes. In fact, you can also set up multiple maps here. That's also possible if you have multiple floors, just as you're used to. It really works great here. You can already see here this threshold, ramp, no-go zone as well. You can conveniently set all of this later on directly from the app. Yes, and then here we have a cleaning schedule. You can set up certain scenarios here. So that means I have scheduled cleanings here. If I say I want the whole house, the whole floor cleaned every morning from 7 to 10, I can set all of that up here. Yes. Carpet settings, should it drive over them or not? As you can see, you can choose whether it should use the boost here or not. These are things you can set up here. We also have pet care included. Here we have an AI controlled mop. So that's the part that extends basically, which we have here. You can also fine tune it a bit more here in the settings or make a few adjustments. There's always something you can adjust there. Pet recognition, as I said, is also very interesting. With pet care, you can also activate the whole thing again and so on. So as I said, I don't want to go into every single detail here or explain everything completely. Of course, we also have the option to control everything by voice here. That's also possible. Yes, that's already familiar here. And with the other functions, you can already see there are a few things you can simply set here. As I said, I don't necessarily want to explain everything here. Most of it is completely self-explanatory, but I just want to quickly show you the app. And I've actually heard from some people that the app is confusing, but it really doesn't have to be, because personally I find it absolutely great, super easy to use. And I think the app works wonderfully and the pairing works perfectly too. I really can't say anything bad about the app at all. And I think the app is so super easy that there's honestly no real need to spend hours explaining everything here. So really a great app and absolutely self-explanatory. As I said, you can make a lot of settings here. I definitely wanted to show it to you briefly again because I really think it's a very, very mature app that has to be said as well. So really great. So otherwise, I hope I was able to convey everything to you as well as possible. We really have a lot of premium features included with this robot. We also have a great station, especially for washing with the 100 degrees. Yes, hot wash, but also for hot air drying at 70 degrees. These are things that are just really top notch with this robot. We have integration for our cleaning solution and so on and so forth. Everything included, everything top quality. And if you want to know anything else, feel free to leave a comment. I would be really happy about that. Otherwise, you also have the option to read everything again, of course. Everything is also linked down below, yes, and you can take your time and read through everything again. As I said, MOVA gives a 3-year warranty, so they really stand by their quality, which I can also confirm. Really top-notch, the whole thing. And otherwise, I like some hype and a subscription. You're welcome to leave those as well. I would be super happy about that, and see you next time on AlHuTV.